Reviewing the 2022
Amazon merch on demand.
Pride collection. Immediately obsessed that somebody decided to throw a derogatory word on a shirt for Pride Month. And I want to say the design here was lacking, but honestly it would probably feel worse if they'd actually put effort into this. 5 out of 5. This Live Laugh LGBT shirt feels like it could be an ironic homage to the influence of waspy mom culture on gay people. But honestly, I think some underpaid designer just accidentally tripped and slapped this on a shirt. 10 out of 5. This would be a great rendition of a pride flag if I had never seen one before and also was colorblind. I would not rush out and buy the Supreme Court They Said Yes shirt because that yes is starting to feel more like a maybe. It's okay to be different, I guess. Keeping history alive and well, I see with what looks to be a 2013 Hot Topic hoodie. Questionable message being sent by this aside, someone's gotta do it. 5 out of 5.
Eat, sleep, guitar? Don't mind if I do.
At least it's an improvement for buying a lady killer onesie as soon as you hold the gender reveal party. But if you're buying your toddler a stray ally pride shirt, I think you're missing the point. I can't really be sure their objective of throwing a bunch of pronouns on a shirt and a color palette that makes me sick. But us at the end is giving me unexpected communist vibes. 6 out of 5 star.